And one of New Mexico's most wanted has finally been caught. Good afternoon, I'm Kim Baez. 7 years of life on the run is over for suspected child killer Noe Torres. Governor Susana Martinez has just announced that Torres is in custody in Mexico and will be brought back here to finally face a judge. Torres is charged with killing 10-year-old Carlos Perez. Police say he fired shots into the boy's Clovis apartment in 2005 and hit the boy as he slept. Investigators say Torres was aiming for Perez's older brother. During his time on the run, Torres has taunted law enforcement. He's contacted the media time and time again, sometimes claiming he would turn himself in, but never showed. Torres' time on the run finally came to an end last week. Now, 4 other people were sent to prison in connection with the murder, including 24-year-old Edward Salas, but he escaped from the Curry County Detention Center and remains at large. Coming up on News 13 at 5:30, we will have more on how authorities finally nabbed Torres and the major role the governor played in the capture.